Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2005 Hyundai Santa Fe. So it's behind the glove box, and in order to get the glove box to come down and out of the way, there's a little elastic wire here, not wired, a little elastic string that's hooked into the side with this little post on the inside. So what you have to do is pull it, straighten it out, and push it through that hole to get it to come out. And then you have rubber stoppers on each side, one here and one in here. So what you have to do is squeeze this towards the inside and then push this one towards the inside as well to get that to come down and out of the way. There you go. So see, it drops all the way down now. And inside this door is where your filters are. So now what you have to do is remove both of these bolts here to give you access to this panel. And also slide this over to the side. Get that off your way. You can stick it there on that side to give you access to this panel here. Okay, so I actually discovered that on this particular model, the 2005 Hyundai Santa Fe, you actually don't have to remove this. So this little door here has a little locking mechanism here in the middle, and all you do is simply turn that to the side, turn it counterclockwise, and then you can pull half of this door off. You can see how it just slides in place right there. And it gives you access there. The other one, you actually have to reach up underneath, back in here, underneath that one, and pull that tab out. And then this part slides downwards to give you access to where the filter goes. And this vehicle has no filter, and it's also full of weeds and crap back there. So I'll get the filter, which is cabin air filter CAF 1801, cabin air filter 1801. I actually got a vacuum, and I'm going to vacuum out that compartment there because it was really a mess. So here's our air filter. As you can see, it actually comes in two halves, and you can see the way it's designed, you can't get this in there. So what you have to do is slide off the top half. Slide it off. And then put the bottom half in first. And you can see it's got directional arrows, which is the direction of the airflow. So this is going to go in this way with the arrows pointing to the left. So that one slides in there, and you can also see the groove on the bottom. So it can only go in one way. And then these tabs are what make it easy to push in place. So directional arrow goes to the left. Match up the other one with a directional arrow as well. and that one just slides in on top of the other one. until that's up in place as well. Just like that. And then you just reverse the order of putting the little door back in place. So this piece goes in and from underneath and locks in place in the back. From underneath it just slides up in place. And snaps in place there. And this other one, those two prongs slide up in there. And then you turn this clockwise to lock it down. And it's that simple. Then what you do is you just close this back up. You get your elastic cord here. Get it in between there. Push your the sides of your glove box back towards the center, and then simply push your elastic piece back in place there, and then pull it through. Stand by. Just pull it into place there, and now that it's back in place, you're done. That's it. You actually didn't have to remove this panel nor the whole door. So, hope that saves you money from the dealership. Dealerships wants like $30 to replace that. And just that simple. Hope it saves you some money. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.